trees have all fallen, and you can see it's flooded. Actually, there's no way to go, and I have to walk through here because I got a cab guy, and he tried to take me home, but he couldn't. So yeah, ouch! Water because this side is completely flooded. So thanks to the cab driver, he was listening to the gospel, and he told me don't worry, I think but he couldn't. But never mind, near to my home. So the poor guy who went and then he gets to come back, or else his car just gets stuck. I love this. I love this.